Hi all, Ellie here from the YouLi support team to talk to you a little bit today about how you can pass your credit card surcharge onto your travelers if you would like. So the credit card surcharge, right, is kind of that extra cost incurred onto you on the swipe of somebody's credit card, kind of those extra costs that come if you use Stripe or maybe Square to take payments. If you can see here, I'm in my Austria mountain retreat. I'm going to show you where you can choose that credit card surcharge amount if you would like to pass it on to your travelers. Click into your trip, whichever trip you would like to add that surcharge onto. Go to Update Trip, Pricing, and then when you click the option to collect payments via credit card, you will see the option to add the amount for the credit card surcharge. Note, you do have to connect your Stripe or Square account first. So you will have to do that under your account before you will be able to then add the credit card surcharge. You can change the amount you need to pass on, and you can figure out what credit card surcharge you need to pass on by looking up what is charged usually within your country or on Stripe or on Square. So you have to do a little bit of background research there. Also note, in some countries, you are not allowed to pass the credit card surcharge on, but you can maybe include it in your base price. So be sure to look up what you need to do there as well. Once you choose what that credit card surcharge is, right, be sure to click Save Changes, and then go ahead and preview as registered. When you preview as registered, right, you can scroll down and click Costs to see what your traveler sees. Here, you can see that I've selected that I'm going to pay with credit card, that there's a 2% added surcharge that would change based on what you chose as the number. Then I can see what that added cost is there to my payment. So in this case, it's an extra $12.50 in Australian dollars. And so I can see my payment due and then that added cost due to credit card surcharge. Let us know if you have any questions. As always, you can reach out to us via the support chat button in the bottom of your screen.